Hello there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be talking about footer links. Footer links are on almost every website. Privacy policy, contact map, contact page, sitemap, sometimes 50 plus keyword rich links. But here's the question: are footer links helping your SEO, hurting it, or are they completely irrelevant? Because Google treats footer links very differently from contextual links. That's links that are in the content. Today, we are breaking down when footer links are useful and when they are a problem. Footer links are typically site wide, meaning they appear on every single page. That means one link on your footer could generate thousands of internal links automatically, and that scale changes how Google interprets them. Google doesn't treat every link equally. It understands page structure. It knows what's in your main content. It knows what's navigation and it knows what's boilerplate like footers. Links in your main content carry more contextual weight. Footer links carry less. Footer links are perfectly fine when used for legal compliance pages like your terms of use pages and privacy policy pages, contact information, core navigation support, major product or category pages. In these cases, they support usability, and usability is aligned with SEO because the more people find your website usable, the less likely they are to bounce, and that is a positive signal for SEO. Problems start when footers become keyword dumping zones. For example, you have best running shoes in your footer, affordable running shoes online, buy discount running shoes, repeated across every page. This looks manipulative, and Google is very good at detecting boilerplate over optimization. Here's something most people misunderstand. If you link to a page 5,000 times in your footer, it does not give 5,000 times more authority. Google normalizes site-wide links. It knows they are template based. So instead of boosting rankings dramatically, they mostly dilute internal link equity across the site. A contextual link inside a paragraph, for example, learn more about technical SEO audits here. That carries meaning. It's surrounded by relevant text. A footer link has no context, it's structural. So, if you want to boost a page's topical relevance, contextual links are far stronger. If your footer contains aggressive commercial anchor text repeated identically across thousands of pages, it can look like internal link manipulation, especially on smaller sites. It's not about one link, it's about patterns. A smart footer is one that keeps navigation simple, links to truly important sections of your website, avoids keyword stuffing, and supports users first. If it helps users find something important, then it's fine. If it exists only to push keywords, you need to rethink it. Large established brands can get away with more complex footers. They have strong authority signals. Smaller niche sites, over optimized footers can stand out quickly. Google evaluates patterns relative to the site's scale and also the amount of trust it has for the site. If you are unsure of your footer, run a simple audit. If you removed SEO from the equation, would these links make sense? If yes, you're safe. If not, you need to simplify your footer. Footer links are structural. They are not ranking boosters. They help with crawlability and usability, but real ranking power comes from content, clear topical relevance, smart contextual interlinking. Use footers wisely, not aggressively. Think of your footer as a usability issue and not an SEO issue at all. If you found this video, if you found this video to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We post more and more videos every day. Please make sure to watch them. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them in and we will respond. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.